I don't know who needs to hear that, but finish what you started. Finish what you started. I know it's difficult. I know it's painful. Being a generational curse breaker is very painful, as you are the one that is transmuting for the entire lineage, for your entire family, up to 5, 10, 12 generation. You carry within yourself, within your DNA, within your cellular structure, the patterns, the distortion, the emotions, toxic emotion, sadness, death, wounds of your entire lineage. And every month, each month, 111 on the screen, you have the power to raise your frequency, to raise your Kundalini for her sacred divine technology, to transmute, transform, banish out of your system these wounds, this pattern that keep you stuck. That is why your life can feel so emotional always. It's because God chose you, picked you up. 144 on the screen when I was saying that. Pick you up. Him pick you up. I'm hearing especially that's why you were chosen to do that. You made yourself a volunteer. Remember that before coming into this incarnation, you said yes. So it's very difficult sometimes. And for some of you, I'm hearing very often. And again, it could be even monthly. That's why we have this as a divine feminine, for example, menstrual cycles. Each month you have the power to release out of your system, transmute the wounds in your uterus, in your womb space. You're transmuting for the collective. That's why you're so powerful, because you're doing it for women that cannot do it for themselves. You're a catalyst. You're an antenna. You're so rare. You're working for Mother Earth, Father Sky. You do stuff that no one else can do, because again, you've been chosen for that. Your body literally transmutes other people's wounds because they cannot do it. But Mother Earth, Father Sky, they have an agenda. They have a plan, evolution of humanity. And because some of you cannot do it, others will do it. And it's extremely painful. But you know what's beautiful is that you might need a good cry. My God, 10,000 hours. Yeah, that's more or less what we need to heal. Sometimes we need way more. Years. 10 years. Actually, 13 years. Are you aware that by the next week, 26, we're going to close a portal of 13 years of sorrows, sadness, challenges. And I'm talking to you, generational curse breaker, chosen starseed, light worker, light bearer. It's been 13 years that you've been through hell and back. That's why now they're really focused on attacking, because you're not taking all of these wounds to the next chapter. The new cycle is going to be blessed. The new cycle is going to offer you everything you ever wished for, and you're not taking this energy there. God is making sure you're going there cleared. So now you might experiencing the tornado of emotions you've been experiencing for 13 years. In your face, very difficult to handle all at once. And they're around, gravitating around your energy, because when you're shedding your skin as the snake, you're so vulnerable. All the predator around can penetrate your system and siphon you when you're not aware. And sometimes even when you're aware, you know it's difficult to fight because you're vulnerable. You have to transmute your own emotions. You're not available to fight, but you still have to, because they're around, they're waiting for you to be weak. That's what I was saying. Finish what you started. Cry, take a shower, take a nap, draw, sing, chant, dance, swim, scream, but finish what you started. You're just around the corner. You're so close, my friend. I'm feeling you being very emotional all over the place right now. Hang in there. Touch the bottom, because you're about to rise as the phoenix and use this anger, use this fire to burn them all. This is romantic. You are their wishes come true. I love that. Soul family, I'm telling you, God is sending help. Help it on the way. It keeps coming. You remember, if you're a fellow subscriber, and if it's not already the case, please subscribe. It's going to help my medicine to reach the world. I cannot make this up. Go clean. Go swim. If you have the ocean, the sea, whatever, and if you don't, please. I'm hearing no matter what the temperature, it could be very, very, very cold. Don't give a F. You have to clear and cleanse your body in the salty water. And if you don't have it, please take some salt and scrub yourself inside the shower. Zrakio otrakuma atra ea susuma tra ea como atara tra 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 de yanarwa atsaraya tsaraya tsaraya tsara. You're the magician, my friend. You're about to work your magic. Zreio kotro uma ata dreia nara ea kra ea na atsara ea kotro kuma utututu uma. You're the alchemist. You're working with thought. You're a master manifester. So please keep doing what you're doing. Dreia kotro uma atra ea sa. You might work with Sekhmet, and if you don't, and if you feel you need protection, please. I heard someone sneezing, so you blessed. And she wants to bless you. She wants to offer the protection. Sekhmet. I cannot make this up. She can also help you cut the cords. There is something, and I said that yesterday in one of my readings. It's time for you to cut cords. You want to get your masterclass, please click on my website. You want to get the masterclass to get this cord cut. You don't want to bring this to the next chapter. The most powerful cord cutting you're going to experience, because I'm not just cutting with a person. I'm cutting with any toxic situation, and there must be something that is also blocking your throat that we're going to cut down on the floor. I cannot make this up. Take this risk now. So you want to get this masterclass. You're heavily protected by God. You see, you're heavily protected by God. This is your confirmation. You are a chosen one. I cannot make this up. If you clicked on this video, you know your destiny. You know your destiny. And until next time, namaste.